How do I file a tax extension? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about filing a tax extension on TurboTax. So to file extension, you need to submit your request. You have to note that if you cannot pay your taxes by the deadline, you should still file for an extension to avoid penalties for the late filing. So to file for an extension using TurboTax, log into your TurboTax account first and then type in extend in the search bar. Click on the Jump to Extend link and follow the on-screen instructions provided. If you don't have a TurboTax account, you can search for TurboTax Easy Extension online to e-file your extension, and this option typically becomes available in the website. Alternatively, you can file an extension by visiting irs.gov and completing the Form 486Z, and remember that you file the extension early before the deadline. So for further assistance, visit turbotax.com/support and you'll be done. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can file a tax extension. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.